It was really smooth process po, sir,
Wow.
with the help of your NASA agents po. I even recommended this to my colleagues from my previous work po, na if they're having difficulty in processing or preparing for this exam, I'd recommend NASIA po.
Good afternoon. Good evening,
Hello,
nurses.
good afternoon.
Yes po. My name is Chris from Nasha Business Consultancy Services. With me is Nurse Perlo Jane Villacorte da Cielo, RN, USRN, from Doha, Qatar, whom we assisted for her NCLEX exam application. Today, she will share her journey in taking the NCLEX. So how are you, ma'am? Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, hello, good afternoon, good day to everyone. I'm Ferlu Jean Dasilio, RN, USRN po. I am doing well po. Actually, I just recently came here in Doha after taking my USRN NCLEX po.
Wow. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for that one, ma'am. First, ma'am, we would like to know the reason and what motivates you to take the NCLEX and become a registered nurse in the US.
Po, actually po, it was via influence of my friend po.
Wow.
Which is actually in Australia now. She's really encouraging me to take NCLEX to improve pa ba yung yung profession ko, kumbaga.
Professional goal.
Because I was complaining to her that I feel like I'm stuck up here in Doha.
Okay.
And I want to go to America. And she said, you better take NCLEX now. Prepare yourself to take your NCLEX now, she said. And I actually contemplated on that, and then I realized na kailangan na pala.
And kaya mo. And kayang-kaya mo because you achieve it. Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so ma'am, you mentioned about your friends saying na dapat maging prepare ka, dapat maging ready ka, dapat i-embrace mo na yung exam preparation. Can you tell us something about your exam preparation and review? Did you create a study guide? What are your strategy in taking the NCLEX? Yes. How does it work?
Actually, sir, when I joined with the NASHA, one agent of yours, sabi niya kasi meron daw silang practice tests.
Yeah, QBanks.
QBanks.
In the mobile app.
Yes, it really helped me, sir, that one. But I thought to myself, parang kulang pa yung concepts ko ba. Luckily, my friend had this review center. Yes, and then she helped me na ng etong review center ba. Yes, but the QBanks really helped me because on that review center, they would only cater like 85 questions ba, and I want to practice more, so I took your QBanks and the QBanks of the review center, so it totaled to 150 questions per day. So I'm really glad because yes, it helped me really. It helped me a lot.
So you're currently working in Doha while preparing your exam?
Yes, doing parang last quarters na ng trabaho ko po.
How do you manage that one? Working at the same time studying?
I almost not able to manage that. So I really decided na kailangan ko mag-focus talaga at umuwi ng Pilipinas because it's really not easy. Even just watching the questions and reading everything, I really said to myself, I cannot do it while working. So I sacrificed my job. Yes.
But it's all worth it naman po kasi you did your NCLEX. First take, we have our own time and your time to shine is today. So worth it naman yung naging sacrifices nyo po. So, did you create a study guide while doing your review?
Yes po. Set ko kasi yung self ko sa time na magte-take ako ng exam. So, dyan nag-based yung study guide ko po. So I started kasi morning kasi 7 a.m. yung exam ko noon. So I have to be awake 5 a.m. Tas
Wow!
diretso. Yes po, kasi para mentally prepared po ako na by that time dapat ready ka na, hindi ka tutulog-tulog
Yes po. So
para
talagang,
ma-prepare yung self mo pag take ng exam at 7 a.m. po.
yeah, wow, that's good. It's my first time to hear that one na it's my first time to hear na pag 7 a.m. yung exam, I should study by 7 a.m. and dapat magising ako ng before 7 a.m. to set my mind, no, para mentally prepared ka. Wow, that's a really good a strategy po, ma'am.
Opo.
Tama nga naman, para pag dumating yung exam, hindi bago sa'yo yung oras.
Yes po.
Kasi yung iba, they wanted to take the exam by 12, by 5, or earlier than that. Ayaw nila nung maaga masyado. But good thing that you have that kind of strategy na makakatulong din sa mga nurses natin na nakikinig at nanonood ngayon po. So, while doing your exam preparation and review, Nasha helped you with the process from getting your approval, scheduling your exam, and the motivation, the email that's sent to you during your preparation. How does it work? Can you tell us in detail how Nasha helped you with the process?
Actually, sir, it was really smooth process po, sir.
Wow.
With the help of your NASA agents po. I even recommended this to my colleagues from my previous work po. Na if they're having difficulty in processing or preparing for this exam, I'd recommend NASIA po because really it didn't give me a headache. And then sabi ko nga sa the result is talagang na-process agad everything.
Wow. Well, and you use our mobile app, ma'am?
Yes po, every time po.
Wow, that's good to know po, mama. We are also excited to launch our latest update in our mobile app, which is available na yung mga hotels na malapit sa testing center, available na rin yung location ng testing center, available na rin yung mga jobs, no? May mga jobs na ma-available sa mobile app natin moving forward. And you can always check the mobile app. And of course, NCLEX pa lang to. Ang next process mo will be visa screen or license endorsement, depende kung saan.
Yes po.
So we are just here to help you and guide you all throughout your journey, all throughout your American journey po, ma'am. And we are fortunate and we are happy that we have assisted you. Whatever your success will be our success as well. Okay? So lastly, ma'am, ano po yung mga message and advices mo to other medical professionals, your colleagues, your friends planning to take the NCLEX and aspiring to become a USRN? Ano yung ma-advise mo sa kanila?
Basta po yung masasabi ko lang po ay if you are thinking of being a USRN,
yes,
do it. Do it. Yes, you start now po.
Kumbaga, the best time to start is today, and do not hesitate to start. Just do it, and then commit yourself, have focus, pray to God because He will guide you and help you. And then at the end of the day, you may sacrifice for a couple of months, but this sacrifice will be worth it kasi lifetime naman yung pagiging USRN, lifetime naman yung success na yun, and it's all worth it. Again, ma'am, thank you so much for sharing your story. We know that a lot of nurses will be inspired to do the same, especially yung 7 a.m. na review or earlier than that if 7 a.m. yung exam mo. And your journey is really, really an inspiration to everyone. Congratulations, ma'am, and we look forward seeing you in the coming months and years working as a registered nurse in the USA po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much po.